In October of 2021, we installed these here on the back of this house. They're vinyl, pretty thin, very inexpensive, and even got them on sale, and they snapped in so easily. We were pretty excited about them. It turns out the gutter hangers there that you can see just do not provide enough support for those. And a year later, this is what they looked like. The weight of the rain and the snow and the ice just completely collapsed them all the way up and down the entire length of the house. We decided we wanted something that was going to last a whole lot longer, even if you have to pay up for it. Now, the gutter guards in the stores that are metal can be as much as $1 to $2 a foot. And so we were looking for something a little bit more inexpensive, but maybe something like a DIY build. And so we went ahead and bought wire mesh. Those are 3 or 4 foot rolls wide and about 25 feet long. That's 1/4 inch mesh. So that would allow the water to get through, but leaves and sticks and the like, would be prevented from getting through. And so we decided we would cut lengths of this mesh for both a garage and the house that we first showed you at the very beginning. And by making them the width that we wanted, and we were able to basically custom fit these gutter guards. We wanted to go under the first layer of shingles on the garage, but those shingles were so old and already turning down into the gutter. There wasn't a good drip edge on there. We couldn't do that, so we opted to make the gutter guards a little wider and go under the second layer of shingles. That roof's going to have to get replaced sooner or later, but so this is more just a short-term deal. But oddly enough, once we were able to use this putty blade to get under the shingles and pop them up, the gutter guards went under there like a dream, really well anchored, and lasted the entire winter through the snow and the ice that we had, and everything is as it was when we first put it in. This house is, of course, as you can see, they're surrounded by large walnut trees, and those are in the back by the garage as well. Same thing, this house is surrounded by all kinds of trees, completely wooded, and when we first installed it, that's the look that you got when we installed it. Of course, this fall, same thing, looks just perfect, no issues whatsoever. Part of the anchoring is we tucked them above the drip edge and under the shingle, and then screwed them to the edge of the gutter after you overlap them, and that's really the trick. They didn't move, they didn't sag, and held up against the weight of the wet leaves and against the weight of the snow and ice. So if you're looking for a DIY kind of solution that's not going to cost you an arm and a leg, and yet something that's going to last, this galvanized 1/4 inch mesh is the trick. You can buy this mesh in all kinds of different sizes. And so here we have a chart showing you the different gauge sizes. The smaller the gauge number, the thicker the wire. We'll have links in the description below. You can get the stuff on Amazon. 16 gauge, 18 gauge, all the way up to 23 gauge. Hope this video helps. If you got anything out of it, give us a thumbs up. We appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. We've got more videos coming. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.